Welcome to this technical guide on the PlayStation 5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PlayStation 5 is powered on but your telly shows nothing, you're not alone. This issue can arise due to several reasons, such as a faulty HDMI connection, a problem with the console's internal components, or even software glitches. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further complications and potentially serious damage to your device. To tackle this problem, you'll need a few tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic prying tool, a soft cloth to protect surfaces, and a replacement HDMI cable if necessary. Firstly, ensure your PS5 is switched off and unplugged from the power source. Carefully place it on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Now, using the plastic prying tool, gently separate the side panels from the console. Start at the edge and work your way down, being cautious not to damage the clips holding the panels in place. Once the panels are removed, you will see the internal components. The next step is to locate the HDMI port on the motherboard, which is typically situated towards the back of the console. Inspect the port for any visible damage or debris. If you notice any bent pins or blockages, this could be the cause of your display issue. To extract the faulty component, carefully unscrew the screws holding the HDMI port in place using the Phillips screwdriver. Make sure to keep track of the screws as they can be small and easy to lose. Once removed, gently pull the HDMI port away from the motherboard, taking care not to damage any nearby components. If you have a replacement HDMI port, align it with the motherboard and press it into place. Reattach the screws, ensuring they are secure but not over-tightened, as this may damage the port or the board. Reassemble your console by snapping the side panels back onto the chassis until you hear a click. Plug your PS5 back in and turn it on. Connect it to your telly using a new or tested HDMI cable and check if the display is working. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from occurring again, always ensure that your HDMI cable is securely connected and avoid yanking on the cable. Regularly check for any dust buildup around the ports, as this can lead to connection issues over time. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.